Hello everyone, welcome again. Let's understand global variables. Global variables means when we define variable at the global scope. So here we are defining at the global scope x is equals to awesome, and in function we are defining x as fantastic. So this function will print x as fantastic, and at the outside x is awesome. So here we are calling this function my function, defining my function, and with this we are getting this print activated, and by calling this function we are getting Python is fantastic. Let's comment this and understand how function calls in Python. So here we can see we can call function by using its name, and we are defining by using this syntax. So Python is fantastic. Now if we comment this and we are just printing this, Python is awesome. Okay. So if we are calling function as well as printing x value, so Python is fantastic first because we are calling function first, then print the value of x at the global level. Then here we are using the global keyword. Global keyword makes this x variable as a global. So x is equals to fantastic behave as a global value. So my function calls this function, and x is behaving as a global variable. So printing value x, Python is fantastic. So as we can see, Python is fantastic. Then if we are defining global variable also, and we are using global keyword also, so what will be the value in x here? So you can see if we call this function and we are using global keyword inside this function, then the value of x fantastic will behave as a global, because we are using global keyword inside the function. So there is no use of defining any variable outside of the function. If we are using global keyword inside the function, then that x value will behave as a global keyword. So Python is fantastic here. That's all for the global variables. Thank you.